One of the biggest reasons that we started 180 Skills was to help the community colleges and maybe help them with more reach and giving people access to content where they may not, especially in more rural areas, people that can't come to campus Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It's really evolved into access in general for anybody who needs skills training. And we have a remarkable group that can produce this content in a way I've never seen online presented. I've actually seen tons of online content that's not near as interactive and engaging for the students. So I think one of the biggest things that we bring to the table is the fact that we can engage any type of student, a student that's not a great learner in a classroom setting, or somebody who's not going to just read a textbook and gain knowledge, but incredible interactive and simulated based training like this, I think, can reach anybody anytime.